got this really wonderful dramatic look to it. But it's going to be a lot more fabric to manipulate. So let's start with our 45-inch wide fabric. That's typically what you're going to get. Find the edge that you want. Oh, the mystery, they don't know what's going on. And poof, you're out. Cover your face, have it up over your head and a little bit back so your face is against it, and you turn. And it has a whole totally different effect. Let's do an S on one side, an S on the other side, and then a together S. Barrel, barrel, and together. And I like to do 2 fast turns, but it's totally up to you. Change sides. 2 fast turns, and then we're going to do our butterflies in place for 4. Turn, drop down.